Welcome to today's talk on a topic that holds immense power, the impact of kindness. Today we explore how spreading positivity through acts of kindness and compassion can transform the lives of others and our own. Kindness is not a mere gesture, but an embodiment of our humanity. It is a force that can break through the darkest of clouds, bringing light and warmth to those who need it most. And it is in these small acts of kindness that we discover the true depth of our character. When we choose kindness, we choose to see the world through a lens of empathy and compassion. It is a conscious decision to step outside ourselves and extend a hand to others. Kindness becomes a bridge that connects us, fostering a sense of belonging and unity. In a world that can sometimes feel cold and disconnected, a simple act of kindness can create a ripple effect of positivity. It spreads like wildfire, inspiring others to pay it forward and igniting a chain reaction of goodness. But let us not forget the profound impact kindness has on the giver. When we engage in acts of kindness, we experience a shift within ourselves. We tap into our capacity for love, empathy, and generosity. Kindness reminds us that we are not isolated beings but interconnected souls navigating the human experience together. It reminds us of our shared struggles, hopes, and dreams. And in the act of reaching out, we heal not only others but also our own wounded hearts. Now, kindness is not always easy. It requires effort, vulnerability, and sometimes sacrifice. But it is precisely in these moments of challenge that the true strength of kindness emerges. Through our acts of kindness in the face of adversity, we demonstrate resilience and the power to create positive change. Let us strive to be the agents of kindness that this world so desperately needs. Let us become beacons of light, radiating warmth and compassion wherever we go. For in our pursuit of kindness, we become catalysts for a better, more harmonious world. Remember, the impact of kindness is immeasurable. It has the power to heal, to inspire, and to uplift. So let us go forth and spread kindness like wildfire. Let us create a ripple effect of positivity that reverberates through generations to come. Thank you.